That's right. See, we've got the little culprit down in here. This is your tensioner. You can move it like this. See how it's rubbing on the block? All right, I'm going to get this belt off here and show you more in just a second. Yeah, they don't give you much room to work in here, do they? Yeah, she's coming loose. All right. Yeah, still going at it. 1/4 inch at a time. Sure, let's engineer some tighter spaces. Be back. Did you know half a mechanic's life is spent unscrewing things and just thinking about life in general, contemplating problems and why they go wrong, why people start problems, why people finish problems, why these problems find me. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, that is beautiful. See where she's rubbing on the block right here? Oh, the whole middle bearing is completely smoked. Smoked and gone. That's 2-piece. Lucky it didn't fly off on me. Oh, that's not good, Captain. Look at the gap in there. This thing's been wailing and heating up for a while. Yep. Pretty sure I know what fucked up looks like. Well, that's one down. Beautiful marks. It left me some scars on the casing there. That's beautiful. Nothing to really clean up. No marring, no chipping. You always want to inspect the area when you have stuff fly apart like that. I could have damaged anything, given there were 2 or 3 ball bearings that just hit the ground. Now we know where the major noise was coming from. Also, you hear that? Those are ball bearings hitting the ground still. Pull this belt off because we're not going to use this one. This one goes in the trunk for backup. Keep your spare parts and belts. You never know when you're going to need it on the roadside. That's something my dad taught me. This one's not too bad. I mean, it's got some burn marks here and there. It's probably from having no bearings in the tensioner. Yeah, we'll throw that down here for now. And get this little guy off there too. You know what I say? This bad boy has the same amount of mileage as my tensioner did, so he gets replaced as well. Pretty scratched up there. Yeah, this will go into the spare parts box just in case. It isn't broken yet, so I could use it for a backup if I need it. Goes right down there with the belt. Oh, lovely fun. All right, well, now we get to put the new stuff in. Let's pause for a quick break. Ta-da! Look, all new. Just got to get this one dropped in. Actual tensioner. This keeps tension on the belt to make sure the belt doesn't fly off. Here's your idler pulley. Keeps everything in alignment. This bad boy here, make sure you always try to line up or stretch your belt to match the new one. Most of the time, people just don't give you the right one because, wow, they're not really paid to work at parts stores. They get paid by the hour. And yeah, right back to it. See, got the new idler in there. It's going to roll just fine. I'm going to do this for the next 20 minutes. I'll get back to you. All right, she's looking pretty. Here's a $100 bill. Here we go. New idler, tensioner, belt. Yeah, purring like a kitten. She sounds a lot better, huh? Like and subscribe, people. Just a guy doing some stuff. Fix your own shit.